Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To all of my new subscribers, I want to say thank you for coming in. To all of my oldies, I want to say thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Today we are going to be making some delicious Nigerian fried rice recipe, and I know you will find it very interesting, very quick, very easy. You want to know how we got this done. I would like you to take your chill drink, relax on your couch, take some biscuits and watch me make this deliciousness in less than 1 hour. Trust me guys, it was so delicious. You can eat with salad. We ate with chicken and salad and it was nice. So guys, here I have some chicken and gizzard. I'm adding my rosemary. I love rosemary a lot. This is to cook my meats and make sure I have some beautiful flavors. I've gone in with lemon and lime. I have crave for fried rice and yeah, I want to enjoy it. Add some of my curry. Add some paprika. Add a little bit of thyme. Go in with my onion. Have some pepper. I have onion, I have garlic and ginger. I'm going to go in with some adobo seasoning. I'm going to go in with some chicken, Maggi, powdered Maggi. I'm going to rinse this plate here. I'm using this gizzard for the fried rice proper, while the chicken is to enjoy the fried rice. So cover this up and allow it to cook for 20 minutes to 25 minutes. So while this is cooking, I'm going to get going with the vegetables. I'll go ahead and prep my vegetables. So guys, I've gone in with oil in my pan. I'm going to add some onion, some rosemary, some turmeric, my curry, my turmeric and my curry rather. I'm going to add my adobo seasoning. You can add whatever seasoning of your choice. I like to go in with adobo seasoning. I'm going to go in with some Knorr chicken. This is to make sure my rice has a beautiful taste. This is how I have craved for this fried rice. Just mix everything to combine. Make sure your curry toasts for just 60 seconds. That way when you add your rice will give you that beautiful fried rice color. This is Nigerian fried rice, but this is how I choose to go about it. I choose to go about it this way. Yeah, I'm using a smaller pot because I just want you to see everything. This is just a little portion for me and hubby, something that we can just take to work and then we'll eat. So yeah, this is not a large quantity. So toast your onion, your curry, your turmeric, your garlic powder. Go in with your ginger, blended ginger, as you can see. So go in with your ginger, your peppers if you want to have pepper in it. This is my blended onion, ginger, garlic. Okay, stir everything nicely. Stir it nicely and then you can start adding your rice. You add your rice, you toast. You just want to do the toasting method, okay? Add your rice until you have added all the quantities you are about to cook. Mix it guys until it is well incorporated. Look at the beautiful color. So I'm going to go ahead and mix until it is well combined. So guys, here is our rice nicely mixed. I'm going to add some juice from the chicken. I'm going to add my meat broth, guys. You can go in with some butter if you like. So I'm going to cover it. I'm going to start toasting my vegetables. I have oil here and I have some onion. I'll start adding my vegetables. Here are my mixed vegetables. I went in with some green peppers. This is my green peppers, and I went in with some chilies. Do you like chilies in your fried rice? I like chilies a lot. I like it spicy. So just toast your vegetables like so. You can add some seasoning if you like, royal seasoning, just to give it some taste. This is vegetables, right? So here's our rice. I'm going to be adding it in and be mixing it. Here's my vegetable. I took some out. I'm going to be mixing it in this pot. So guys, I shared it into 2 parts. This rice is so good. It's so good. I divided it into 2. So this is the second one. I'm just going to add some gizzard, which is going to serve as my liver. You know how we use liver in Nigeria. We use liver to garnish. So it's going to serve as my liver. It tastes so good, guys. Like very delicious. Then I'll garnish with some spring onion. Yeah. We are going to mix this one in like so. I have crave for fried rice. And yeah, I'm just going to portion it into all the bowls we usually go to work with. So when we want to go to work, we will just take one portion. We have some salad going with it. This is what you can do. If you're getting ready for work, you think of something to cook, just go ahead. If you have vegetables, go ahead and do this. Guys, trust me, you will love that you did. Look at that. It tastes so good. It's not just that it looks beautiful alone, it also tastes so fantastic. This is our finishing for this Nigerian fried rice recipe. I hope you're going to try this. I hope you are going to try this. And if you have been watching me till now, you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and press on that notification bell, so anytime I upload new videos, you will be the first to get notified. Gucci's team, try this, you will love it. Very delicious Nigerian fried rice recipe. Look at the second. This is the second one, guys. Yes. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at the yummy, yummy, yummy chicken. And we are going to be enjoying it with this deliciousness. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Looks so good, guys. Tastes so fantastic. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Go ahead and try this, guys. Try this for your family, for your friends, and for your loved ones. I'm going to dish right now so I can show you how I'm going to enjoy this deliciousness. I hope you have loved this video. If you have loved this video, please give me a massive thumbs up. Share my videos to your friends, family, and loved ones. And God will bless you so mightily. I love you all so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you for staying till the end of this video. Which is saying, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao, ciao. I'll dish now so you see how I'm going to enjoy this. Stay tuned. Guys, how do you like to enjoy your fried rice? This is how we are going to be enjoying this fried rice. I hope you will love to come and enjoy this with us. Yes, good cheese is not eat alone, okay? Good cheese does not like to eat alone. So yeah, I just want you to come on. Anywhere you are, come on. Look at that chicken, golden brown. I love that chicken. You guys, look at that. Look at that deliciousness. Yes, that's the yummy good cheese is about to enjoy now. Come on, guys, let's eat. See you guys in my next video. God bless you. Thank you.